Man, let me tell you, drones changed everything. Seriously, before these things, getting an aerial shot, that was Hollywood stuff. Helicopters, big budgets, crazy expensive. Now, you can throw a camera in the sky yourself. It's insane. The power in your hands is just unreal. You can capture views no one has ever seen before, or at least not from that angle. It's like strapping a camera to a bird. A really obedient bird that you control. This isn't just a toy. It's a tool that unlocks a whole new level of creativity for anyone. The popularity of drone videography, it exploded. And for good reason. Suddenly everyone could get these mind-blowing shots. Your vacation video's epic. Your short film looks like a blockbuster. It's because drones offer something unique. They give you perspective. A literal bird's eye view. You see the world differently from up there. Patterns emerge. Scale becomes clear. Things you walk past every day look totally new and amazing. It's like discovering a hidden layer to reality. And people love seeing that. It's fresh, it's exciting, it pulls you in. Think about those opening shots in movies. The ones that swoop over mountains or glide through city streets. That used to be out of reach for most of us. Now you can do that. You can be the director of photography for your own life with a flying camera. It's about freedom, the freedom to explore, the freedom to show the world your vision from an angle they've never considered. It's not just about pretty pictures though. It's about telling a story in a more dynamic, more engaging way. It makes the ordinary look extraordinary. This technology, it democratized aerial footage. That's a big deal. It means more stories get told, more unique viewpoints are shared. It's not just about the big guys anymore. It's about you. It's about your ideas, your adventures, your city, your backyard. Drones hand you the keys to a visual kingdom that was previously locked away. So if you're not thinking about how a drone can elevate your work, you're missing out on a massive opportunity to wow your audience and see the world in a completely new light. It's a game changer, pure and simple. So you've got this amazing drone footage. What now? You can't just slap it online. Well, you could, but you want to make something great, right? Something that pops. That's where the studio magic comes in. Mixing these aerial videos is where you really start to tell a story. You take those sweeping landscapes, those incredible top-down shots, and you weave them into your narrative. It's about pacing. It's about emotion. It's about making people feel something when they see what you saw from the sky. This is where your creativity truly shines. For YouTube, you've got to think about your audience. What keeps them watching? Variety. Don't just show drone shot after drone shot. Mix it up. Combine those epic aerials with ground-level footage. Show the journey, show your reaction, cut between the big picture and the small details. This creates a rhythm. It keeps things interesting. Think about B-roll. Drone footage makes incredible B-roll. It can set the scene, transition between segments, or just add a layer of polish that makes your videos look super professional. It's about making it dynamic. Creative ideas? Man, the sky is literally the limit. Film your city like it's never been filmed before. Capture the sunrise over a mountain range. Follow a skateboarder through a skate park from above. Document a road trip with stunning aerial transitions. Even ordinary things can look amazing. A farmer's field, a busy intersection, a quiet beach. The drone gives you a godlike perspective. Use it to show scale. Use it to reveal something hidden. Use it to create a sense of awe. Don't just fly, fly with purpose. Think about the story you want to tell, and remember, it's not just about the visuals. Sound design is huge. The whir of the drone, maybe not so cinematic, but epic music, natural ambient sounds, those can elevate your drone footage to another level. When you're editing, think about how the music complements the visuals. Does it build tension? Does it create a sense of peace? The combination of stunning aerials and perfect audio is what makes for truly memorable content. It's about creating an experience, not just showing a video. That's how you make your YouTube content stand out. Flying a drone looks easy, and yeah, modern drones are pretty user-friendly. But to get those truly cinematic shots, that takes skill. It takes practice, a lot of practice. You need to know your drone inside and out, how it handles in wind, how long the battery really lasts, what all the settings do. This isn't just about avoiding crashes, though that's super important too. It's about making the drone an extension of your creative vision. You need to be able to pilot it smoothly, precisely, to get the exact shot you're imagining in your head. Technical know-how is key. We're talking camera settings, ISO, shutter speed, aperture if your drone has it, frame rates. You need to understand how these work together to get a good exposure and the right look. Shooting in flat color profiles like D-Log gives you more flexibility in post-production. But you need to know how to color grade that footage. Learn about ND filters. They're like sunglasses for your drone's camera. Essential for getting smooth cinematic motion blur in bright daylight. It's a learning curve for sure, but it's worth it. Selecting locations is another big one, not just for what looks cool, but for safety and legality. Always check the rules. Are you allowed to fly there? Are there flight restrictions, no-fly zones? Ignorance is not an excuse, and you don't want to be that guy. Once you've cleared that, think creatively. What location tells your story best? Look for leading lines, interesting textures, unique perspectives. Scout it out, plan your shots, think about the light. Golden hour, just after sunrise or before sunset, is your best friend for epic lighting. And don't forget the basics of good filmmaking. Composition matters just as much in the air as it does on the ground. Rule of thirds, symmetry, framing, leading lines. These principles will make your drone shots infinitely better. Practice smooth movements. Slow, steady pans and reveals are often more impactful than fast, jerky motions. It's tempting to zip around like crazy when you first start. Resist that urge. Think like a filmmaker. Think about what serves the story. Mastering these skills takes time, but it's what separates okay drone footage from truly breathtaking content. All right, let's talk editing techniques for YouTube. You've got your amazing, technically sound drone footage. Now, make it sing. Speed ramping is a great tool. Slow down for those epic reveals, then speed up to transition. Quick cuts synchronized to music can create incredible energy. Color grading is crucial. Take that flat footage and make it pop. Develop a consistent look for your channel. This isn't just about making it pretty, it's about creating a mood, an atmosphere that draws viewers in and keeps them hooked. Don't be afraid to experiment. The benefits of drone videography for content creators, they are massive, huge. First off, production value. Drone shots instantly make your videos look more professional, more expensive. It's a level of polish that used to be reserved for big studios. Now you can achieve it. This helps you stand out in the crowded YouTube landscape. People are drawn to high-quality visuals. It tells them you're serious about your content. It makes them more likely to subscribe, to share, to come back for more. It's a serious upgrade to your entire presentation. Beyond just looking good, drones allow you to tell stories in new and compelling ways. You can show context and scale like never before. Imagine a travel vlog. A drone shot over a new city establishes the location instantly. Imagine a real estate video. Aerial views showcase the entire property and its surroundings. For adventure content, for documentaries, for reviews, the applications are endless. It gives your audience a perspective they can't get anywhere else. It makes your content more immersive, more engaging. It makes people say, wow. Ultimately, drone videography gives you a powerful tool to express your creativity and connect with your audience. It's an investment, sure, in gear, in learning, in practice, but the payoff can be huge. More views, more subscribers, more opportunities, but more importantly, it allows you to push your own creative boundaries, to see the world differently, to share that vision with others. So if you're a content creator and you're not using drones, you're leaving some serious magic on the table. Get out there and fly. Show us something new.